Today I have a project share that I want to show you / a VR for Joy for JanetKey. She is doing a birthday challenge where she asked for an ATC and a birthday card, which is due June 2nd. So you still have lots of time to go ahead and join her challenge. But let me show you what I went and made for her. I still got some stuff I want to add to it, but let me show you the main pieces. Okay, so the first thing I want to share with you is the birthday card I made. Look at that. It came out so cute. I did use my Creative Time dies, ephemera, and stamps, which they had in April, which was actually was a birthday clown theme. So I went ahead and created that. I did put some ephemera, and I did put some foam on it, give it some dimension. I put some foam behind the tickets and the 25 cents. And I did stamp it, Step Right Up, It's Time to Celebrate You, which is the sentiment that came in this release. And I'll have all the dies that I use in the description below in case you want to go ahead and get it for yourself. And then inside I did the sentiment, and then inside it says, another year sweeter, happy birthday. I'm going to leave it blank, so if she wants to go ahead and use it for someone else, she can. And I'm going to write her a little note in there for her birthday. But yeah, I really love. And I did add some little glitter on there and also put a balloon on foam. I love Dimension, and I love this card. It is so cute. So I got that one. And then for my ATC card, I wanted to match the birthday card, so I made this one here. And the ephemera is also from the same release, and it's a birthday circus, like a pastel. Beautiful. If you haven't, you need to check it out. I did put a sentiment which says, listen to your heart, it will show you the way. I did do some ink blending in the background and did tear up some glitter paper to give it some texture. And on the back I also inked it up and added my info with my name. My favorite color is pink. My birthday is September 24. Holidays that I love is Halloween, Christmas, and Valentine. My favorite season is fall. I did put my socials and my address on there so we could keep in touch. But yeah, so that's what I made for her. And I really love, like I said, I love the stamp and die that Creative Time had. And I just love how this came out. And I also put a Gemmy on there to give it some glam. But yeah, that's what I made for Joy for JanetKey's challenge. I hope that she really loves it, because I really love how it came out. But yeah, make sure you leave a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you actually bought this ephemera or even some of the dies from Creative Time. But I do love this. It's gonna be hard to let go, but as you know, I want to go ahead and bless someone else with some love. So I'll leave her info below. Do check out her channel. Do subscribe. Show her some crafty love. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.